Same on the outside but new on the inside, we have our first look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 coming straight from OnLeaks, who is one of the most reliable leakers in the game. Sup everyone, it's Mr. Fantastic here, and today we're going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. As expected, it will have the iconic flip form factor, and by the looks of it, it's gonna be pretty much the same as last year for some reason. We have the exact same design, dual cameras with that sort of two-tone look at the back, though it is expected that the main camera will finally receive an upgrade and will now be 50 megapixels instead of 12 megapixels, and there will also be a 12 megapixel ultrawide camera. The cover display will also be slightly larger and it will be a 2-inch AMOLED display, which is still not really a major upgrade from 1.9 inches from last year. The main display will also be the exact same as last year. It will be a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz of refresh rate and will be a flexible display obviously, and there will also be a 10 megapixel front camera in the whole bunch, so no in-display camera this year either, which is a smart move. The specs will also be pretty much the same as last year, but now it will feature the latest and greatest Snapdragon 8 Plus or 8 Gen 1 Plus, whatever you want to call it. It was recently launched and it will also be based on the 4nm process, and it will only come with this chipset worldwide, so no Exynos in it, which is pretty good. And the good news is not even that. The good news is that this chip will also have some performance gains as compared to Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, with a 10% increase in both CPU and GPU performance and 30% efficiency in both CPU and GPU, and the overall power consumption will also be reduced by 15%, which is amazing. It will still have the amazing IPX8 water resistance, and finally we're also getting a much needed battery upgrade, so now it'll go from 3300 mAh to 3700 mAh, but that also means that it will be slightly thicker, and for some reason it is also a millimeter smaller in size, but that won't really matter since last year's cases will still fit it. It is also expected that we'll also see a couple new colors like the blue shown in these renders. It'll start at a very attractive price of $999, which is also the same as last year, fortunately, which will make it the cheapest foldable phone out in the market, and it will also cater to the masses because of its very reasonable price. It will be released in August of this year along with the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which I will also be making a video on, so stay tuned for that. I honestly don't know why Samsung is going for the same exact design. I mean, they could have changed it up a little bit with maybe like a color coordinated glass look with a glossy finish, or I don't know, but don't get me wrong, it still looks great. It's just that a slight upgrade would have been really good. So yeah, that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section what do you guys think about this. Drop a like on this video, subscribe for more videos just like this one, and I'll catch you guys later. And up until then, take care and be fantastic.